How to fix message notification sound on iPhone. Well, hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. And this video today, let me guide you the steps on how you can fix message notification sound on iPhone. Well, to fix your iPhone's message notification sound, what you want to do is you want to check that your iPhone isn't on silent mode. So if you have set it to do not disturb, here as well you won't get any notifications and sounds. And similarly on your iPhone you'll get this button here that will enable or disable. As you can see here, if I pull this up, silent mode is turned off, so now I'll get notification, but if I turn it on, then I won't be getting any notification sounds. What you also want to do is check that your volume is up and such. So you want to go through all these basics. Then you can proceed to head into settings if these fixes doesn't fix the issue. Once under settings, you want to head into sounds and haptics section where you can see your notifications and check if it is working and change it from here. So hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe. If this doesn't help, at last you want to verify that notifications are enabled for the Messages app, and you can also restart your device, which can fix the glitch as well.